Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. When it comes to standing out in the crowd, there are a few things that can make that happen easily. In most cases, a simple spoiler swap can be done to get you noticed. An aggressively designed spoiler that is sure to catch the eye of any viewer is going to be the Streetfighter LA Spoilers. The large duckbill design integrated into these spoilers makes them one of the most aggressive spoilers to give you a high-profile look. Now, although they do have a high-profile design, they did take into account the body lines of each of their spoilers. So the body lines will flow very well with each kit to each Camaro model. Streetfighter LA has taken the opportunity to create these spoilers to be available for all you 2010 to 2021 Camaro owners. With two different finish options available to fit your style, they are offered in either fiberglass or carbon fiber. The fiberglass option, although is gel-coated in a semi-gloss black finish, is suggested to be painted to give you a nice clean looking finish, while the carbon fiber option is gel coated to a high gloss finish, allowing you to bolt it right on and go. These spoilers are easily installed since Streetfighter LA did make them to fit the factory mounting locations with most models. The 2010 to 2013 models will bolt right on without any issues, along with the 2014 to 2015 model design. Where fitment needs to be taken into account is the 2016 to 2021 models that have the different mounting locations for the factory stanchion and low profile spoilers. Either way, the 2016 to 2021 models can have this spoiler easily installed. So to wrap it up, the Streetfighter LA spoilers are going to be one of the most aggressive spoilers available with their large duckbill design. With fiberglass and carbon fiber finishes available, you have the option to either match your factory paint or match any other carbon fiber accessories that you might have on your build. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about the Streetfighter LA spoilers, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.